Hi everyone, my name is HOLLIS, and I am 10 years old from SJK, PAI WEN RANAU Sabah, Malaysia. Today, with great excitement, I present to you our project EcoLife Essentials. EcoLife Essentials focuses on music for water harvesting, hydro generators, solar panels, clean energy transportation, and aqua hydroponics. However, none of this would be possible without robotics technology. Robotics technology is important for automatic processes, improving efficiency and making our project a reality. Let's team up with EcoLife Essentials to make our planet cleaner, greener, and more efficient for water harvesting. We understand that fog can be dangerous for drivers, especially at night. However, what is so surprising, fog is a natural and free thing. Therefore, we are working on a project. We are turning fog into drinkable water. We use a filter to make sure the water we drink is safe. In this robotic project, we are using an Arduino Uno to click an automatic water dispenser machine. We have also installed water sensors to regulate the water flow and prevent waste. We are using Arduino Uno to make it easier to get clean water in fog. This will make the roads safer and more greener for everyone. Solar panels. I installed solar panels for clean free energy for household use as well as other use such as transportation. I have installed smart solar-powered street lights. Furthermore, I have utilized Arduino Uno technology to click a motion detection function. When a car approaches, the lights turn on and then turn off when the car passes through. It helps save electricity and promote a greener road. The water for the hydroponics comes from the fish farm, and it pumped by a hydro pump and powered by solar panels. I have installed Mega Uno X technology to keep things safe and preventive. If someone tries to steal, take something, lights will turn red and a siren will sound. I have also used the Mega Uno X system to give workers RFID access, so they can turn off alarm and security lights temporarily. Fish farm. In my fish farm project, I have also utilized Arduino Uno technology. I have installed cameras, sensors, and in order to prevent thief or loss. The guardhouse security system will sound a siren and red lights will flash as a warning if someone tries to steal. Furthermore, hydroelectric generators. Hydro generators are amazing. I have utilized them to generate electricity. They use water to spin turbines, which turn into electricity. It's like transforming the energy of the water in the fish farm into power for our homes and communities. With hydroelectric generators, we are helping to make a cleaner, greener future. For this project, at EcoLife Essentials, I have using 4 mainboard to program. Thank you for your kind attention.